Hi, my name is Dave Osmond, and this is my 470 midterm project. First thing I got here is a clock with two alarms. To set the clock, you can push A, sets the date and the time. B sets the first alarm. C sets the second alarm. And then you can turn the alarms on and off by pressing 1 and 2. So now it's on, now it's off. So first thing I'll do is set the time. So it's February 15th. It's 11:14 and no seconds. So we'll get the time set. Now I'll set the alarm for 11:15. So that'll go off in a second. The whole idea of this alarm is so that instead of waking up to a loud blaring noise, it'd be more like waking up to the sun rising. Where I've got these lights all set to run off of this switch, and what it'll do is that when the alarm goes off, it'll just slowly turn the lights on. You can set that to be over 10 minutes or whatever. For now, I've got it set a little faster. So let's turn the lights down, and that should go off here in a second. So the little flash of light is because if you just turn the lights on gradually, it'll wait until they're turned about a third of the way on before they'll finally power up. So it's set so that when the alarm goes off, it'll flash up to the power to turn the lights on, and then take it back down just short of turning them all the way off, and then slowly the lights get brighter and brighter. Now if you want to turn the alarm off and turn the lights on, you can press number 9. If you want to turn the alarm off, turn the lights off, you press number 7. And of course, so that you can still use the lights normally, 7 turns them off, and 9 will turn them on. So on this little wheel, I've got a servo motor on the back that's running that. Of course, the keypad and the LCD screen. And then inside here, I have the time circuits and all the other good stuff. That is pretty much it. Thanks.